Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different because it's going to be an unboxing. I ordered from Pura Vida and I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. First thing I see is this. It just says Pura Vida on it, and inside it has this little sticker pack. I've seen a lot of videos, so I already know what the stickers look like, but they're really cute. So it has this on the front, this on the back. Inside are the stickers. Oop, I dropped all of them. But it just looks like this, like a little booklet. And the stickers, it comes with 7 stickers. So it comes with this pineapple sticker, this little circle sticker, moon sticker, heart sticker with waves, cactus sticker, water bottle sticker, and a rainbow sticker. And these stickers are actually really, I said stickers so many times. These stickers are actually really good to put on hydro flasks. This is mine, and as you can tell, it has no stickers, but it does have this. And if you guys want a tutorial on this, it's going to be coming really soon, so stay tuned for that. But let's get on to what's in the package. Okay, so next in the package is this. I'm pretty sure this is my bracelet. Yes, it is. Okay, so I ordered this all blue bracelet just because I really love the color blue, and especially this one because it's so pretty. So yeah, I just got this blue bracelet. Next, I have this one. I think this one is a bracelet as well. The bags that they put them in are super cute, and you can use them for other things too. So here's this one. As you can tell, they're both blue, and that's because I really like the color blue. So this one is blue and lighter shades of blue. So yeah, these are so cute, and they were $6 each, which is a really good price. And then lastly, I have this, which is what I was most excited about. I don't know if you guys have seen, but a lot of people have had this, and I thought it was really cute. It is the wave ring. I'm so excited. Let me open it up. Okay, so it just looks like this. Has a little wave on the ring. It's upside down. Oops. I'm gonna open this. This was $12. It says it's sterling silver. So I already knew what finger this was gonna fit just because I know how big this finger is, but I don't know how big these ones are. But I got it specifically for this finger, and I think it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I loved this package so much. Okay, so that is everything I got from Pura Vida. I will be having another surprise unboxing really soon, probably in a couple days. I'll upload them. That is everything I ordered from Pura Vida. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!